Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today I'm just going to do hopefully a quick video just showing you some recent things that I bought through the Sephora VIB sale. A couple of things from Ulta and a couple of things from Amazon and some miscellaneous things. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We are going today to my youngest grandchild's preschool graduation. This is the last one that's gone through preschool. They'll all be in school after this. Kind of sad. they do a nice little ceremony and stuff and do a little film and all that kind of, so it's kind of sad. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first is what I bought at the VIB sale, and I found out for the first time that I wasn't rouge anymore. I did not realize that. I had been bumped down to VIB, which is still good, but I guess it shows that I didn't, I didn't buy as much. Well, obviously I didn't buy as much last year, so I had to wait a few days before I was able to shop, and then I just got the 15% off, which is still good, instead of the 20% off. But these, I just bought a couple of things, some things that I needed. That was it. The first thing was the Shiseido, the cleanser that I like. It's the Shiseido White Lucent Brightening Cleanser. I love the way it foams, my favorite cleanser. The next one is some more of the Lancome Stick Foundation. My shade is 320. And love this stick foundation. Just, your basic stick foundation. Really like it a lot. And then the next one is some lipstick. It's from Mercier. The color is Coral VIF, like Very Important Fireman. I saw this on Tammy Ageless Beauty's channel, and she had it on in one of her videos. I think it was a Get Ready With Me. I just thought it was beautiful. So, and anybody I mentioned, I'll link below, but I just think that's just such a beautiful color. And I've already worn it, just gotten lots of compliments on it. I bought one more thing. I've already dumped it. It was the NARS mascara, a little, sample of it. Not a sample, but a travel size of the NARS Climax mascara. It smeared so badly on me, even just put it on the top lashes, not even on the bottom lashes, that it was a mess. So I dumped that. I was glad that I only bought a sample. So those are my Sephora purchases. And then my Ulta purchases were, I've already shown this, so I won't, this isn't new. But, I love the Lime Crime. I have it on now. The Venus XL2. So I bought pretty recently the regular Venus. Just love it. I just have gotten some really pretty warm looks with this. I just think it's beautiful. So I bought that and just was real pleased with it. So I thought, well, I will go back. I saw this one. This is the Venus 3. And, I thought, I made a huge mess of it. Well, there goes that. Oh, I dumped it in my lap, but anyway, there it is. Oh, you can see where I hit it right there. I dug my fingernail accidentally into it. But anyway, I'll clean this up in a minute. You can see, it would be just, you think beautiful colors, but when you get it out, even swatching it, it looked pretty. When you get it out and I actually put it on my lids, it looked kind of garish. Kind of a little much, almost like a little unicorn look or something, and it just didn't suit me at all. I really tried, and I tried with the browns, bringing it down, but so many of them were a little bit different colors than what they seemed. They were just, they turned a little garish and a little sparkly on me, so that didn't work out, and so that was a fail. Okay, I got that cleaned up. That was discouraging. Another thing that I bought, I may have already mentioned this, but just in case I wanted to bring it up again, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. The color I got was medium peach. Ooh, what a great concealer. What a great concealer. It is so much like the Tarte Shape Tape, but the Shape Tape ended up, it was nice at first, but it ended up just really drying out under my eyes and just making it look, 250 years old. This is beautiful. It doesn't dry your under eyes out. It doesn't make your lines and wrinkles show up too much. It doesn't get into your lines and wrinkles. It just makes a beautiful finish under your eyes, and you cannot beat the price with the stick. It is just a great, it is just a great concealer. Okay, next I bought out the rest of what they had of the L'Oreal Infallible. I bought several of them. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last in burgundy. That's what I have been wearing in my waterline. Really like it a lot. I think it adds a lot to your eyes. Some things that I bought at Amazon. The first one is from Zahra, Z-A-H-R-A Beauty, and it is a lipstick holder. As gifts, I received several lipsticks, and I have a lot of older lipsticks that I really need to go through that have just expired. I just haven't done it yet. That I just really need to toss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through those and throw those away, put the ones in here and the new ones that I received, and get all my lipsticks really organized. I love this. It sits and moves so you can see all your lipsticks. It is a beautiful kind of a Tiffany blue with a little bling around the edge of it, and it just sits so pretty on your desk. I cannot wait to get my lipsticks organized. I'm very excited about that. And the next one, I found out about this from Mz Vicky. I'll link her channel below, and where she shows these, and she has a link for them too on her Amazon page. These are the best things. These are, I hope they're clean. These are the best aviator sunglasses, and they're like $8. And I have already lost the first pair I bought because I can't buy nice things. I lose them, or I'm hard on them. But so I ordered me some more. These are the silver ones. I think Mz Vicky has the blue ones, but they have all different colors. You can get them in all different colors and just have yourself an explosion of sunglasses. I love these. I call them my Mz Vicky aviator sunglasses. And they come in a real nice box too. And they come, they have it's in my purse. They have a beautiful hard carrying case, and a soft case, like a dust case to put it in. Just really nicely packaged and put together for the price. I mean, they're just really nice sunglasses. This has been great to use this summer. The next one are these little ponytail holders, and I found out about them from Totally Tika. I think she had them in either an Instagram story or an Instagram live. But she said these make the best messy buns. I had always admired, how well she did her messy buns. And I just did not like the ones that were like on telephone cords, the spiral ones, because my hair has a lot of wave in it, and it just gets wrapped around those and gets tangled. It's a big old mess, and I don't like them at all. But these make the best messy buns. You do it in a bun and do it halfway and do it again and do it halfway, and it just is so cute. I don't know why, and she didn't know why either. It does such a good job making a great bun, but it does. I don't know, just something about the stretch or something. I don't know. But these do great, and they come in all different colors. I got the ones that sort of match my hair. But I really like these ponytail holders from Amazon. Okay, then these are just some random things I bought. I saw this on Elle is for Living's channel. And she had shown this. I had bought this one time before and used it up, really liked it, and then just, went on to something else like you do. But this is the thermal protection. It is the Isoplus, is what it's called. Got it at Sally's. I think it was under $5. It was very inexpensive. And it protects, and boy, does it hold your curl. It will hold your curl until you shampoo it out. It is great. I have really enjoyed using this. Thank you, Elle, for showing it again and reminding me about it, because it does a great job. So my next thing are these beautiful hoop earrings, and they're by Sheila Fajl. I saw these on a video by Lisa D1. She interviewed Sheila, and Sheila showed her newest collection, and on that day she had a discount code. So I thought, well shoot, I would like to get some more of Sheila's hoops, so I used the code and got a discount on it. But these are the best hoops. Sheila, nobody does hoops, gold hoops, or I guess any color, but especially gold hoops like Sheila Fajl does. They are so lightweight, such high quality. You can dress them up, dress them down. They go with everything. They go with jeans. They go with the dresses, anything. I love Sheila Fajl hoops. These are called Liana, Liana, and just as lightweight as they can be. And I had run out of, or had used up my mascara, and I had really liked the It Cosmetics and the Catrice. There was a certain Catrice that I had, and they didn't make it anymore, so I bought another Catrice, and it just smeared terribly on it. I just have such a problem with that. So I thought, well, I'll just get another It Cosmetics. But before I did that, I thought, you know, there was an Estee Lauder when I first started doing YouTube. I had worn it for a long time. And so I bought that again. It is a waterproof mascara. And boy, it will, I mean, I can rub my eyes or whatever, you know, throughout the day. Like if you know, I've had a headache and, you know, you kind of rub your eyes, or sinus headache, and no smearing underneath my eyes. No smearing whatsoever. Anyway, it's Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Waterproof. And it comes in this little silvery blue little case with the black writing on it. Yeah, I used it, like I said, years ago. Still the same formula, still the same case, everything. This is a great mascara if you have problem with smearing. And it's one of those, after you use it a couple of times, it gets even better because it just really grips your lashes and curls them and makes them long. Excellent, excellent mascara. Highly recommend it. Okay, this is just something I was so proud to buy and support, and it is the Christian Audette with Lisa D1 collab for the, I think it's the Nudes of Summer lipsticks. Gosh, I'm so proud and so impressed with this. So you get a liner and two lipsticks. There are two nudes, but one of them is lighter and one of them is darker. One of them is Summer Nights, that's the darker one. And then the other one is Golden Tiger. It's the lighter one. This is what they can look like compared to each other. And let me see if I can swatch them. Supposedly on the palm of your hand is the best place, is what I heard. So this is the Golden Tiger, and then this is the Summer Nights, and then there's the liner. And I am so proud of Lisa, and you know, I really like to see women achieve goals and achieve things that they've worked for and dreams. You know, that's a wonderful thing, and I'm just real proud of her, and I know everybody has been real proud of her. And it's a wonderful collection too. You get some great products. So, and it's just nice to support a fellow YouTuber too. So I'm real proud of Lisa, and they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. So congratulations to Lisa, and I was so excited to buy these. Okay, and the last one is a gift, my birthday gift. Kristen and I exchanged, Kristen 321 and I exchanged birthday and Christmas gifts, and she got me the prettiest two sets of earrings that was made by one of our subscribers. Her name is Dee, and these are the first ones. They are absolutely gorgeous, very lightweight. Really, really beautiful, beautiful, and comfortable. And then this is the other pair. I tried to put it back on the thing. I've already worn these. I'm trying to put it back on here so you could see how pretty it's packaged. But our friend Dee made them, and she did such a beautiful job. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Kristen and Dee. It really made my birthday special. So I also got a few things from friends for my birthday, and people ask me periodically if they can send me things, and I do say no because you know, I always feel bad. I want you to spend, I know times are hard and money's tight and everything, and so, you know, I want you to spend money on yourself instead of me. But there were a few people that they knew my address and they surprised me with some presents. So I will show those periodically throughout, you know, the next few videos. But one of them is one of my friends made these earrings for me and this bracelet. Absolutely beautiful. Love this bracelet and love the earrings. Just exactly my style. So beautiful, so thoughtful. I appreciate that so much, but I'll show things periodically coming up. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm so very grateful. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend coming up, and I'll talk to you all in a couple of days. Bye-bye.